Statistics, you are working on this document today. It's called Confidence Intervals, How Fit. So we have a bunch of data that was taken from 876 females and 687 males aged 10 to 15 at some health fairs that have been put on at their middle school. They collected information regarding BMI, which is your body mass index. All right, so actually, if you'll notice, the last two pages are just the male data, because that's all we're going to do. And it's a list of all of their BMI. So we have student number 1, his BMI was 23. Student number 46, his BMI was 15.9. All the way down to student number 687, and his BMI was 23. Now, these students have been randomly placed into this chart. And notice that every other column is a number and a BMI. So there are 687 students on these two pages. We're going to use that data to answer all of these questions. You're going to randomly choose 10 numbers from 1 to 687 and write those 10 corresponding BMIs. So if you randomly choose number 141, you're going to write down 21.5. All right, and then we're going to answer questions about margin of error and confidence interval after that. For number 5, Mrs. Gray will put 20 random numbers on the board, find their corresponding BMIs, and determine what percent of them is overweight. I will put that up and display that in the Meet also, so you guys can do that then. And then the rest of it you should be able to answer on your own. So, get started on this. Hopefully you can get to number 5, and by the time you get there, I will put those 20 numbers on the screen. All right, I will see you then.